Hey everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video, you will learn step-by-step instructions and easy way on how to get Harry Potter in Infinite Craft. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. Alright, put water on the empty space and add wind to get wave. Put fire on the empty space and add water to get steam. Combine wave and steam to get surf. Put earth on the empty space and then wind to get dust. Then add water to get mud. And add mud again to get clay. In the surf, add wave to get surfer. Now combine surfer and clay to get Potter. Then add surfer to get Harry Potter. So this is how you can make Harry Potter in Infinite Craft. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.